Okay, there he goes. Howdy, and welcome. Glad to have you with us today. Hope you're having a really good day. Just got out here and had to load a triaxle truck up. And he'll be back for another load. So, there you go. Okay, very good. Gotta wait for him to come back. And I hope you enjoyed today's show. Loading these triaxle trucks up. That truck, we've got about 22 ton on it. Okay, let's get this show started. We got a load of triaxle trucks today. Apparently this rock is going to our Laybell facility down below Fredericktown. He just pulled in, and gotta be very careful when you're loading these trucks. This is not a real big high lift, so gotta be careful. Don't want to hit his bed. Alrighty. This is the second load. And apparently I was wrong. It's not going to Laybell. It's going to Robina, and Robina is about 4 or 5 miles down the road. Some kind of construction project going on down there. I don't know what it is. They've been redoing some ponds, so I don't know if this is going for that or not. There about a month and a half ago, they brought a 5-ton dump truck in, and I loaded yeah, I loaded 5 of those trucks for that guy back then. Apparently they want to get bigger loads this time. Yeah, I don't know what the project is down there. Okay. But anyway, this is 2. I put 9 buckets on the last one, and that got him about 22 ton, 23 ton, something like that. So this is a 3-yard bucket, but this is, you know, this is not real dense material. So if it was sand or something, it'd be about 3 ton on here on the bucket, but it's not sand. Okay, I gotta be very careful I don't hit that arm. It's nice, I got this GoPro clamped onto my helmet. My good friend Jughead made that clamp for me for my hard hat, so that's pretty cool. 3. I've loaded triaxle trucks in the past for various things, but I'm really glad these are steel bodies that he brought in, because they're lower. The aluminum bodies are much higher, and they are a real pain. I just have enough clearance to get over them. The aluminum ones, these are a lot nicer. Excavating. Little boy Robbie Hayden, when he was 12, 15 years old, he used to hang out a lot at the local tractor dealer. They sold tractors, and they did a lot of repair work on tractors and farm machinery, and he'd hang out in there all the time. But after he got out of high school, he bought a dozer and started an excavating business. He bought a brand new D6 Caterpillar D6 dozer. And then the gas well industry took off, and he started buying these dump trucks. And he's done very well for himself. I think he owns 4 trucks right now. That's pretty cool. 4. Case 521. It was a rental machine, and we perked at the end. The rental companies, they buy new equipment every so often, and the mine bought this. They had it up at the prep plant, and they've had it down here at our ballast pile for quite a few years. It's 5. Anyway, we own the facility down there at Laybell. Laybell's right below Fredericktown on the Monongahela River. We have a barge unloading facility there. We load our barges, take them down there. They offload them, transload them onto trains. They load them onto CSX trains down there. That coal goes, a little bit of it goes to Baltimore for overseas. There's also, they take it to a cement plant, not a whole lot, but a few trains a year, I'm told, to a cement plant someplace in Florida. And they also load Norfolk Southern trains down there. And that goes to a domestic power plant. I believe it's Duke Energy. I believe. I could be wrong on that, but it's, that goes to 6. Okay, wonderful. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. When they load these, they have those big Caterpillar 980s. And when they load, it takes them 3 buckets to load a triaxle. How about that? Some of the quarries have those Komatsus. They're the same size as 980s, but I don't know what the number is on them. I don't know. They're big machines too. All right. Okay, brakes squeal a lot on here. Ha! Oh well. Alrighty. Thank you very much for tuning in. Hope you have enjoyed today's show. And I hope you have a really good day. We really do appreciate you guys. You guys are the best. Okay, that's it. This machine does not need grease. I grease it on a fairly regular basis. Okay, there we go. All right.